I made a mistake, and you guys let me know about it. So we're gonna fix the mistake that I made so that we can make this look even better. So last week I painted the bricks to the front of our house and I saw this issue, but I just wasn't 100% sure how to fix it. And so thank you guys for all of the comments. And if you haven't seen the painting the bricks video, be sure and go check that out. But a lot of you guys noticed that there are huge gaps between a lot of the bricks that I had to put on, like reattach to the side of the house here. And you know, like I said, I knew that that was an issue. It looked kind of funny, but I wasn't sure what to do. So you guys, I took your advice and I grabbed some pre-mixed mortar, just like in a caulk gun type of thing. And I'm gonna be filling in all of the gaps, not only to let it look better, but also to protect this wood underneath here. I will say that a lot of you guys were like wondering, you know, if that wood was damaged and rotten and stuff like that. It wasn't, so that's why I kind of just put the bricks right on back over that same wood. But doing this is gonna help protect any water from getting in there and so on and so forth. So once this dries too, then we'll go ahead and paint it white again. And I just wanna thank today's sponsor of the video, Rocket Money. But we'll talk about them in just a little bit. I'm gonna get started on putting this mortar between the cracks. It's already looking better, you guys, and I haven't even painted it yet, but I'm glad we're doing this. Already went through one whole tube and haven't even finished the one side yet. So we're gonna need quite a bit of this stuff, but it's working and it's looking really good. So we're gonna do it anyway. All right, another tube is gone and I only bought two. We're gonna have to go grab some more. But on the bright side, I did get this area completed. So headed to the store again. We're back in business. Grabbed 6 tubes this time. So if we run out, we got a problem. We're gonna continue on. A really easy way to apply this stuff, it just goes right on. It reminds me of caulking the cracks in something, except I can be a little bit less careful with this because I'm just gonna be painting it over it afterwards. I think we're pretty much done. And of course I choose right now when there's an airplane going ahead of me or above me to talk. But I think that we are completely finished up with all of the fixing of the mortar and just patching up. I really think that it's already looking better, even though it's gray. Once it all dries, I'm gonna be painting that white. So in the meantime, while this is dry, let's talk about today's video sponsor, Rocket Money. With these home renovations in full swing, we wanted to find a way to track our monthly spending and track how much money we're actually spending on these home renovations for each and every project around the house. That is when we came across Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, and it is a personal finance app that really helps you see where you're spending your money, but not only that, it also helps you save money and spend less. One of the core features that I love about Rocket Money is the ability to set your own budget for each category in your life. And it has the ability to send you notifications to give you a friendly reminder if you're getting close to exceeding those monthly budgets. The other really awesome feature of Rocket Money, in my opinion, is that you can cancel any subscription that you have, whether it's Netflix or something that you signed up for that you really weren't sure if you wanted to continue the subscription for. You can cancel any subscription right in the Rocket Money app. No more going to the website of each and every subscription that you are a part of, when you can do it all through just the Rocket Money app. If you're interested in learning more about the Rocket Money app and how it can help you with your personal finances, be sure and click on the link down below in the description. Thanks so much to Rocket Money for sponsoring this video. Now let's get to painting. Everything is all nice and patched up. So we're gonna paint. We might have to do some more caulking or mortar filling after the paint, but I just wanna get the first coat of paint on to see where we're at. Oh gosh. I need to get rid of these. So I've got a whole new can of the same paint that I used to do the bricks the first time. Unfortunately, I had ran out, and although I don't really need that much paint, they only have gallon sizes of this specific paint. So luckily it's only $30. I just grabbed this morning and I actually had them shake it up. So I'm good on the stirring since it's all nice and consistently white. And so we're gonna just go ahead and brush it on this time, since there's not as big of areas and it's very precise areas. I'm just going to be brushing it on as opposed to using my sprayer and getting that all out and dirty. Since it's not gonna take very long, I just don't think it's worth cleaning it out after it's all said and done. So we're gonna head over here first to start painting. I'm just using a pretty cheap brush. I think I paid a couple bucks for it at my hardware store. I'll link some similar down below if you guys are interested or have any just quick projects that you don't really want to use one of your nicer brushes for. The texture on these bricks may just kind of damage this brush a little bit quicker. That's why I don't want to use one of my nicer brushes. I also kind of might go over some places at least around the areas of where I put the mortar. Kind of looks like some of the spray may not have gotten completely into all of these cracks. So if I see some, come across some, I might just touch it up with some paint on my paintbrush here. Done with the touch-ups with the paint, but I do still have a few touch-ups that I'm gonna do with some more mortar caulk stuff. And then I think I'm gonna rope Neiman into helping me with actually kind of going through one last time painting the brick again because I kind of noticed that it looks a bit better when I come back with a brush, especially between the lines here. So I can still kind of see like some grayish color when it's not painted again, but then down here where I painted again, it's a lot more filled in, and I think that it just looks cleaner. So I'll show you before right here.
Okay.
And then after, I just think that looks a lot cleaner, nicer, and more well done. So we've got a little bit of painting to do still so that this can all just look the best that it can be. That's a wrap on the painting of the bricks. I am super glad that you guys made all of those awesome suggestions for us. I think that it looks 10 times better than it did when I hadn't filled all of those cracks yet. So thanks again. We really do appreciate your interaction and your support in every single one of our videos. This exterior makeover is not quite over yet. We've still got a little bit of work to do. We are going to be working on this area right here next week, so be sure and get subscribed down below. I'm going to be trying something that I have never ever attempted before, and I cannot wait to try it and of course bring you guys along the ride. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.